Three important things we can do in one sitting. Number one, mental exercise, declaration and affirmation. Number two, spiritual exercise, meditation and reflection. And number three, physical exercise, walking or running. These three, I do it in one sitting. While I do exercise, I do my mental exercise, and spiritual exercise. If you want a balanced life, do these three things consistently. Our future depends on what we do today. Live God, design life. Gusto mo mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? Be an IMG member. Once you are a member of IMG, you're automatic investor sa stock market through mutual funds sa mga giant companies tulad ni SM, Jollibee, McDonald's, Meralco, Smart, and you can top up 20 pesos sa iyong investment. To know more about on how to invest sa stock market through mutual fund, comment below.